I'm Rhiannon Oliver. I have recently made a big effort to learn Welsh, particularly over the last 2 years. I learned a bit at school, but I didn't have enough to have a conversation. But I registered for a course with Dysgu Gymraeg about 2 and a bit years ago, and I've kept going and now can live parts of my life in Welsh, which is an amazing feeling. I really recommend giving it a go. There's incredible support. The courses are really, really good value, and you can become part of a lovely community of learners, and you'll find that speakers are incredibly supportive and inviting as well. It feels like a really meritocratic thing to do. If I work hard, I get somewhere, and that feels amazing that I have been able to develop this whole other part of my life. And it's opening so many doors. I just really recommend giving it a go. And it's not a lot of money. If you're between 18 and 25, then I believe there's a scheme which will allow you to actually study for free during the next year. And yeah, you put your details in and you can find a time that suits you. So I do 4 hours on a Friday because that works with my work schedule, but there are lots of evening classes. You can do afternoons, mornings, anything that works for your life really. My number one tip is to just give it a go, and then give it another go, and then another go. Just when you think, oh, I don't know, you'll find that it will go up and down, peaks and troughs. I have moments where I don't feel quite as confident as I did the week before, but then it comes back to you and you'll find there's so much support. So go for it, and then put yourself out there and tell people that you're trying to learn, and you will find there is such a supportive community and that people are really keen to give you opportunities to use your Welsh.